Hi guys, I'm showing you this bathroom corner stool. So as you can see, comes in nice packing. It's of hardwood and it's like by nature it's a waterproof and little like hard wood. This comes with that rubber stocks in the bottom and all the numbered with that little assembly that you can use. So I can feel is like a very nice wood quality, comes with all the screws. So this is the corner stool top, and you can see it like for the water thing that it have holes on it that water will flow from it. It's a corner stool with a really nice hardwood. And these are the instructions to assemble this stool. So the good thing is that all the screws and the tools are given with this package that you can use. And the other good thing is that it's all numbered. So say if it is number one, so it goes in number one. Just put in the screws, tighten it up. So it's pretty easy assembly. No, nothing like professional person required or anything like that. That put in the same number and then screw it and tighten it with this Allen key. So just match the numbers and then screw it. So once you see like it's all assembled, this looks like this from the bottom. Just tighten up everything. One more check. And see, the logo is really nice, like the metal logo. And this is sturdy, not falling here and there. There's one extra screw and Allen key that's coming remaining for me. And this is in the bathroom. When I put in the corner, looks really nice, matching with my tiles. You can use it for sitting to put stuff on it, or you can use it not even in the bathroom, in the other places as well.